So something that is not possible anymore in Mountain Lion, at least not easy to do, is to get RSS feed subscriptions in Mac Mail or in Safari. So what I'm going to show you today is how to use a third-party application to subscribe to an RSS feed. This would be very important if you wanted to have a very easy log of your students either in advisory or in one of your classes anytime they made an update to their WordPress blog. So as you can see here in the Mac App Store, there are lots and lots of third-party applications that you can use to subscribe to RSS feeds. Some of the best ones are Reader and Caffeinated. I like Shrook because it's free, number one, and number two, it's very simple and the interface is very nice. So as you can see, I've already installed Shrook, and so what I'm going to do now is go find a blog that I want to subscribe to. Clearly, the e-learning blog at SIS is the one that everyone should subscribe to first. And if I go here to What's Happening, and I click on What's Happening, I see the blog roll of posts made by the e-coaches. If I look over to the right, I'll see an area over here called Meta. And what Meta is it's a widget that has all sorts of information about this blog roll. Now, some of your students' blogs may not have Meta, and to get that activated, if they don't know how to do it, please have them come to an e-coach, and the e-coach will show them how to get Meta so that it shows on their page. So if I see in Meta entries RSS, what that is this is the RSS feed of all of the entries on this page. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and if I've already have Shrook installed, you'll see what it will do is it will ask me, do you want to add this feed to your subscriptions? And I say, yes, of course I do. And you'll see over here that it's now added the e-learning at SIS feed, and it shows me a preview of the last 10 feeds. And you'll notice that it has Sketch in the Classroom, an approach to documenting and sharing, and mind mapping, which is the same order as what's going on in the blog here. So using Sketch in the Classroom, approach to documenting, and of course mind mapping. So it will tell you the author of the posts, and if you click on one of the posts, so for example the Slide Rocket, you'll see that it actually shows the preview of the post as it would on the blog itself. So you can see the actual Slide Rocket. Here, Sketch in the Classroom shows what Katie did in terms of the pictures that she made with Sketch, and it even gives you the post itself. So this is a very easy and very simple looking interface, which is why I like Shrook once again. On your blogs, they sometimes look different. For example, here's a student's blog. This is the RSS feed. Okay. And if I click on that, it will ask me if I'd like to add Kriti Gupta's blog, so I can go ahead and add that. And Catherine's looks a little different. Here is her meta. It is also RSS entries, and so I can click on that. She's in one of my classes, and now I have on here 3 different blogs that I have subscribed to. Anytime there is an update, Shrook will show you that there is an update, and it will tell you if you have read it or not by having a star. So you can see when I click on it, the stars are disappearing from that.